The cost is justified because we get ROE for all of our projects. So even with a license cost that could be it's higher than the average, but the gains that we have with the faster development and the ROI of our projects make it worth it. It's very scalable. It's one of the advantages. I didn't mention it before, but automation where it's very scalable. It's easier to scale. So we are a financial institution that has 26 million clients with only 3,000 employees. So they are all very capable employees. But if we didn't have a scalable tool to automate the operational tasks, it would be a challenge to attend all of our clients.